This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lin Miller. New construction 4-bedroom/3 bathrooms, wood floors in first floor main living area, kitchen with upscale cabinetry, granite tops and stainless steel appliances, ceramic tile floors in all bathrooms and laundry room. Owner's suite has walk-in closet and private bathroom, high-efficiency heat and air conditioner. Upgraded insulation and windows make the home comfortable in any season. Completion expected by October 15, 2020. Closing assistance is available if buyer uses builder's preferred lender and settlement attorney. For more information, review the details below.